Hey everybody, Jim King. I'm back out here in Lawrence, Kansas, checking on our crew. What we're doing today, we've got the hole completely excavated. All three King Pier 2 holes are done and complete, ready for the pier and the plate. That'll be delivered probably first thing in the morning. Got a man here rubbing the wall down with a wire brush, getting it clean. We're going to seal all the existing visible cracks with polyurethane and some epoxy. And then we'll do a complete coverage of commercial tar over that wall. The wall won't leach water after we're done with this project ever. But on the inside here, we've got set up now for our interior setup, which is basically 6x6 treated wood support beams, run about 2 or 3 feet away from the wall, underneath the ceiling joist with verticals coming down to a bottle jack. We raised the house slightly up off the sill plate to make it easy for me to straighten the wall. So we're relieving the pressure. That's all we're doing. So the preparation to push the wall back straight is what takes the time. Digging of the hole, interior setup. The actual pushing of the wall will take about 5 minutes. So stay tuned as we progress out here. It's a beautiful day. You would never know that we have a pandemic going on, but it is an absolute beautiful day. The birds don't realize it. I see that plenty of birds flocking together and having a great time, and we're fortunate enough to be able to work because I can't leave open holes underneath houses. It's very essential that we're here to finish these jobs once we get them started, no matter what it is. So stay tuned as we progress out here at King Piers in Lawrence, Kansas. 816-288-4373. You can always check us out on Facebook. YouTube's huge for us. We just now got about 1,200 subscribers, and thanks to all those that subscribe to us. We really appreciate you. So stay tuned out here as we progress. King Piers, Lawrence, Kansas. Thank you.